choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo, choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo.
The case of the drenched comforter again.
Round 2.
I do not know why that washing machine does that sometimes. You know what, True? I don't think Dad put it on the right setting. Because when I do mine, I never have this problem.
Hold it up.
You can't see us?
Yeah.
One sec.
Ah,
Ah.
it's really windy today, but it looks great on
Okay,
camera.
what are you doing, Justice?
Turn it over. What are you doing?
I'm breaking it so that it's on your side. You ready? Are you ready?
Your side over.
Doctor, we're just wringing it out.
Wait for the order, baby.
Now let's see how. Is this your comforter?
No, it's a clean. It looks like.
This definitely is a twin, right?
I need to be able to see Justice.
Why?
There we go.
Okay, you ready?
All right, go up. You going?
All right.
Okay, you want me to go?
Opposing turns. Wow. Wow. Look at this. I can't believe you guys thought of this. This is so cool.
Ready?
Oh, am I going to get wet?
Yep.
Probably.
Oh.
Do it again. What are you waiting for?
Oh, look at that. It looks like big bubbles. Wow.
All right, pull.
Dude, don't drop down like that when your brother goes this part.
Go on.
They have their method for sure. Wow. With every turn, more comes out. How did you guys think of this?
Jez is good one day, and Jez's idea.
Ready again.
Yep.
Hold it up.
Woo! Oh!
You do it again. Finish.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Dude, you need to keep your hands up.
That is so much water in that blanket.
Wait, I'm going around. Actually, you don't hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Brothers, you're going too far over. Keep it. Hold it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Squeeze with all your might. Look at that. Wow. Your mom thinks it's the funniest thing.
Hold it up. Straight.
Pull it again.
Pull, pull, pull.
Think we got enough water out of it?
I think you guys did a great job. This is fine. Now you're gonna no, don't put it back in there. Yeah, Dad said to straighten it out so that when you guys go down there, you can instantly put it in the dryer, because you can't put it in the dryer like
I know
that.
that.
Let me see. Let me
Too
touch
many
it.
leaves out here, Dad.
Yeah, let me touch it, Jessus.
Why you want
It's
to touch
still
it?
wet.
Yeah, but it's dry already though, right?
No, it's wet. So,
But it's not.
But it's good for the dryer, right?
good enough for the job.
Yeah, that's like how it usually.
Yeah, that's how it usually
This
is.
how it should be.
That's right. All right.